Most people think you need to show your face to make money online. But in 2025, you can earn over $100 a day using ChatGPT without showing your face, voice, or even making videos yourself. Let me show you exactly how people are doing it right now. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and pick a niche you understand. It could be fitness, motivation, business, or relationships. You'll use ChatGPT to create valuable content around that topic. Step 2. Open a free Canva account. Use ChatGPT to write short posts, quotes, or mini scripts. Then design them into clean, square images or carousel posts for Instagram, TikTok, or Pin. These posts can go viral fast, and you never appear on camera. Step 3. Once you have 20 to 30 posts, create a page or profile focused on one topic. For example, motivation hub, side hustle tips, or money quotes. Post daily using your ChatGPT content and Canva visuals. Step 4. After 1 to 2 weeks, you'll start getting engagement. Now, use that audience to earn money. Here are 3 real ways. 1. Add affiliate links in your bio, like books, digital courses, or Amazon products related to your niche. 2. Sell digital templates. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, planners, or scripts and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. 3. Offer content writing services. Many small creators and YouTubers pay $20 to $50 per script or caption. Step 5. To scale this, build a simple system. Every day, ask ChatGPT for 5 posts, then design them in Canva and schedule with free tools like Buffer. In 1 hour a day, your content keeps growing while you sleep. Step 6. Once your page has consistent followers, brands or creators might contact you for shoutouts or partnerships. That's where the real money begins. $Saratus to $300 per post for sponsored content. This method works because it's faceless, simple, and automated. You use AI to do 90% of the work. No fancy camera, no editing, and no paid ads, just consistency and creativity. So if you want to make money online this year, stop scrolling and start creating. Open ChatGPT, pick your niche, post your first design today, and you could start earning before the month ends. Don't forget to subscribe for more real online money ideas that actually work in 2025.